Samsung Galaxy S20 5G. Now this is the base model. This is as small as it gets. However, it's going to be still a pretty decently sized phone, so let's get started. So here we have the phone. Pink variety. Take a deeper look at it in just a second. It also comes in the box. Ooh. The charger is Type C right from the wall, so it's Type C to Type C. That is extremely intriguing. Did not know that. It's a 4-foot long cord. Both USB Type-C. AKG earbuds that have a volume up and down and pause button, a tweed cable, and these headphones use the USB Type-C interface. The headphones are about 5 feet long. It comes with some extra in-ear pieces in case you have a different sized ear. That's a nicety for the headphone. And that's it, box empty. I'm going to be doing a review on this cell phone as well, and I'm going to take a really in-depth look at the camera. And as you can see, there is no headphone jack. Now for a size comparison, here's a crisp Hamilton. It is roughly the size . It's pretty much exactly the same size as a bill. A bill wraps around it just a little bit, but you can see size comparison there. Thanks so much for watching. This has been Adam with Techdive. We got lots of reviews and unboxings. We do tech, gaming, and gaming tech on this channel. I'll see you next time.